Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get the depth wallpaper on your lock screen for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So in the last video, I showed you how to use stickers to create that cool depth effect. This time, you can apply the effect to a regular image. So you can choose any portrait style photo and we can basically apply the depth effect on it. So let me show you how to do this. So we'll be using this photo and we'll basically apply the depth effect on it for our lock screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here we'll go ahead and open the image in gallery, and we'll first go ahead and create two images out of it. So we want one image of this lady only, and the second image is where we want only the background. We want to go ahead and separate both of these. So we'll go ahead and select the lady. Now we'll tap on the three dots and then tap save as image. So now we have saved this person as an image only, as you can see. Now we'll go ahead and use Galaxy AI and we'll remove this person from this scene. So we'll go and tap on Galaxy AI. We'll go ahead and draw a circle around it. Tap on erase. Now as you can see, the person has been removed. We'll save it as a copy. And now we'll go ahead and set this as our wallpaper for our lock screen. And now we'll go ahead and configure our lock screen. So we'll go ahead and long press on the home screen, tap on wallpaper and style, tap on our lock screen. Now we'll go ahead and open up Lockstar, then tap on app widgets. Now you go ahead and scroll down and find the gallery widget. We'll go ahead and add this widget. Now we'll go ahead and choose what image we want. So we want to go ahead and select an image. So we'll go ahead and select that person which we created. Let's do it twice. For some reason it doesn't work. Now we want to go ahead and center and fill widget. So we might have to play around with this. So we'll go ahead and just try the first one for now. Go ahead and make it large. Now we'll go ahead and place this person right in front of the time. We can go ahead and move the time if you want as well. And we'll go ahead and make this slightly bigger. Now once we're happy with this, we tap done. And then we can go ahead and tap on home. Now we can go ahead and look at our lock screen. So as you can see, we have basically created a depth wallpaper on our lock screen. So it gives your lock screen a premium 3D look with no extra apps needed. So it's perfect for making your phone look futuristic and uniquely yours. So there you go guys, that is how to set the depth wallpaper on your lock screen with an image on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.